Let's start with Chapter 20, Intrusion Detection System and Intrusion Prevention System. What is Intrusion Detection System? An intrusion detection system is a system or device which detects suspicious and malicious activity in the external and internal network and provide information about the same to the network administrator. Intrusion detection system can provide alert relating to the malicious traffic using various methodology, such as identifying attack on the basis of their signature or heuristic. IDS is one of the important security systems. It is widely used and accepted. You can see the history of attack. Had there been intrusion detection system at that time, there could have been a chance to detect these attacks and take necessary steps as per the situation. In May 1996, 10 major agencies comprising 98% of federal budgets were attacked with 64% of attack success rate. In February 2000, DOS attack against the world's largest commercial website including Yahoo, Amazon, FIFA and Dell by Mafia Boys. To find out and identify this type of attack, we can use intrusion detection system. Example of intrusion detection system is KF sensor or SNOT. IDS detect the network-based and host-based intrusion. The identification of intrusion is done by signature or heuristic. You can customize the intrusion detection system as per the company policy and needs. There are broadly 4 types of intrusion detection system: network-based intrusion detection system, host-based intrusion detection system, signature-based intrusion detection system, and anomaly-based intrusion detection system. Let's discuss the type of intrusion detection system one by one. The first one is network intrusion detection system. Network intrusion detection systems are deployed in such a way that they can monitor all the incoming and outgoing traffic to and from all the network devices. Network intrusion detection system can scan whole incoming and outgoing traffic. However, this usually reduces the network performance and speed. Second one is host-based intrusion detection system. Host-based intrusion detection systems are installed and executed on individual host, device or system on the network. Host-based intrusion detection system monitor all the incoming and outgoing packets from that device only. It will alert and report suspicious activity on that particular host, device or system. Third one is signature-based IDS. A signature-based IDS always monitor the packets in a network as per the rules defined in the database of signatures from malicious threat. Even most of the antivirus software detect malware like that. The main issue with signature-based IDS is that there is a time gap between a new threat being discovered, which is called 0 day, and the signature of detecting that threat being applied to IDS. Fourth one is anomaly-based intrusion detection system. Anomaly-based IDS always monitor the traffic by comparing it to already defined baseline. Anomaly-based IDS work by defining the baseline or normal characteristics of a network line bandwidth of a network, protocol, ports, and devices, which are generally connected to network or load on network traffic or type of traffic. If any of these range changes significantly, then it sends an alarm to the network administrator. Baselines are defined by the network administrator at the time of installation of IDS. So what is the difference between host-based IDS and network-based IDS? HIDS use data obtained from a system and NIDS uses the data obtained from the network. HIDS is usually more compatible and adaptable with the system, whereas NIDS is less adaptable as it has to deal with entire network. HIDS require less training as it is installed only on one machine, whereas NIDS require more training as they are deployed at network level. HIDS scan local machine, and in this scan no bandwidth is used, but NIDS utilize the LAN bandwidth. What is signature? A signature is an algorithm or hash that uniquely define a specific program. You can see the picture of signature of KF sensor, an IDS which is used to detecting the malicious traffic in a network. What is intrusion prevention system? Intrusion prevention system, also known as intrusion detection and prevention system, which is called IDPS, are network security appliance that monitor network and activity for malicious activity. The main function of intrusion prevention system is to identify malicious activity, log information about malicious activity, attempt to stop the malicious activity and report the activity. Intrusion prevention system can take action such as dropping the malicious packet or blocking the traffic from the offering for the offending IP addresses. There are four types of IPS: network-based intrusion prevention system, wireless intrusion prevention system, network behavior analysis, host-based intrusion prevention system. Let's take a look. First one is network-based intrusion prevention system. It monitors the entire network for suspicious traffic by analyzing protocol activity. Second one is wireless intrusion prevention system. It monitors a wireless network for suspicious traffic by analyzing wireless networking protocols. Third one is network behavior analysis. It examines network traffic to identify threats that generate unusual traffic flow, such as distributed denial of service attacks, certain form of malware, and policy violation. Fourth one is host-based intrusion prevention. An installed software package which monitor a single host for suspicious activity by analyzing event occurring within that host. What is the difference between IDS and IPS? It is the important question. Intrusion detection system can detect the malicious activity and signal an alarm to report it. However, they cannot prevent it. We know that intrusion detection system can detect it, but it is not able to prevent it. Whereas intrusion prevention system work as an extension of an IDS, and they can even stop the malicious activity, whether it is inbound or outbound. But in today's world, the difference is no more valid because security companies are developing new and better system known as IDPS, means intrusion detection prevention system. Instead of differentiating IDS and IPS, they are known as combined intrusion detection and prevention system. There is some good antivirus software that provide network defense. Some of them are McAfee, cloud-based security as a service solution, Bitdefender network or gateway protection, SOPHOS, SPOHOS, a network storage antivirus. So these are some of the important antivirus which will give you the protection. Let's see the demonstration of intrusion detection system within a while. Let's start the demonstration of KF sensor and IDS. Let's see the installation process first. Agree the license and select next, and you have to install it. Now you have to reboot your system. Okay, now reboot your system, then after that it will start working, and finish it. And you have to restart your machine, and then you can work on it. Let's start the demonstration of KF sensor and IDS. Right click, run as administrator, and start. KF sensor is an IDS. Let's see, we have a lot of visitor here and we'll list it. You can see, click here to see the visitors. This is the list of visitor and the activity, the IDs when the visitors start visiting our machine, duration, the protocols, and the visitor. See, it's a MacBook, machine names, okay, Windows XP. Okay, a lot of information we can find out by this IDS. Let's check, these are the visitor, and if we click here we can see the port numbers. These are the ports. Okay, click here. You can add and remove the column in the IDS. See, if you want to see the visitor IP and visitor port, you can click here and you can add the IP. So here is the visitor IP. If you click OK, one more column is added. See, visitor IP. So we have, these are the list of IPs, machines which are communicating with my machine right now. And let's check scenarios, added signature. Suppose I want to take information about this IP address and which kind of packet it is. Click here. See, these are the detail, sensor IDs, KF sensor, start time, when this machine is communicating with my machine. It's a broadcast packet, it's the visitor IP address, domain name, details of the machine. See, this is the visitor IP, their signatures, and you can see, we know that in an IDS or any of the intrusion system, it works with the signatures. So this is the signatures. We can add it a signature, we can add our signature. These are the predefined signatures of KF sensor. You can see a list. If you want to add some signatures, new signatures, and you can click here. You can give the name of the signature, like I'm giving test KF sensor message, just my signature. Okay, and what kind of information, the port filtered. If you want to give the port range, then you can also define the port range. Okay, if you want to add something, or you can give the details and just add. Okay, you have to specify one signature. Just wait, you have to add one signature. You have to put, it's the test sign, and I have to put add. See, I have made one signature, and then I have to add it. You can see in the last, I have made one signature, test KF sensor. It's hand coded. So by using this added option, we can add our signature. You can also import the signature. You can improve the signature. Okay, import the signature, and in the setting you can see the DOS attack setting. You can set the DOS attack, that how you can identify that upcoming traffic or incoming traffic should be a DOS attack or not. You can customize your traffic. You can also set it by the changing the event color so that you can easily identify it. You can also select by the traffic, incoming traffic, by filter it by using the color coding. Suppose somebody scan our machine, attack on my machine by using some software, suppose Nmap, so we can detect it. Let's check. See, we get a response. Okay, this machine is trying to access my machine. He scanned it by using some tools. You can see the scanning process. Is the alert by the sound, and you can check it, the visitor ID. See the summary. This machine is trying to scan my machine. So it is an IDS, it will detect the system. Any intrusion which is coming from the outside. You can see these are the scan, which type of service they want to access. If you can see the activity. You can check it, somebody trying to access the machine by using. So by using this IDS, we can find out the intrusion detection, and we can take our action. We can make a signature immediately so that this attack can be minimized, or we can counter these attacks.